Hello guys, welcome to my Advanced Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Reconnect or Remount Eject USB drive in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. If you are facing the issue Reconnect or Remount Eject USB drive in your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the device manager. For that, you need to right click on start menu. In this, you will find device manager. Click on the device manager. Just maximize the screen from here. In last, you will find universal serial bus control. Just expand this option. After that, you will find USB mass storage device. Just right click on that and click on disable device. Just click on yes. After completion of this, just again right click on USB mass storage device and click enable device. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Reconnect or Remount Eject USB device in your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.